Alright, this is the second herd of cows. Most of the videos I shot will be at the big herd. This is a smaller herd that we have. Here, a lot of cows, 3 calves, and 11 cows, 10 cows, a bull, and 3 calves in this herd. Hey, little one, there's a chocolate calf. Hey. What you doing, big girl? And taking your picture. You're gonna be on YouTube. You're not impressed, are you? Alright. Anyway, you can see the big bull over there. Big black Brahma bull. That cow right there in the foreground, that's Apple. Some of them got names and some of them don't.